Okay, welcome to this video. I'm going to show you real quick how to get started with Padlet for whatever your teacher wants you to do in the classroom. First of all, you want to go to Padlet.com. No www, just Padlet.com. Go there and don't ignore this sign up button. What I want you to do is click Login. When you click Login, it's going to take you to a screen like so. You want to log in with Google. Now, when you log in with Google, don't get confused. And so you're going to use your school email. Even though it said Google, don't type in your Gmail address. You want to use your actual school email first, .last, .stu, blah, 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 blah. And you're going to log in just like you would log into your Chromebook. And once you get logged in, I'll show you where to go from there. So go ahead and pause the video for a second, go log in, and come back and unpause me. Okay, once you've logged in, you've landed on a site that looks like this. And there's all sorts of things you can do here. You can see all the Padlets you already have, which you probably don't have any, but they'll all be down here. But what you could do is you want to make a Padlet. You can either press this button or this button here. I'm going to make a Padlet. Now, it'll take you to a site like this. What type of Padlet do you want to do? Now, you're going to be doing some type of brainstorming, just kind of organize your thoughts. What I would say if I were you, I like this one with the arrows because this leads to that, that's connected to this, and I think this one's my favorite. But again, you're going to be doing some kind of brainstorming. Once you get to this point, it goes ahead and makes it for you, and it pops up this settings over here. You can change the title, so you might be like, this is my career cluster about agriculture. Your description. If you don't like the backdrop, you can pick a different backdrop, pick one that's appropriate. There's more for you to choose from. You can be as creative as you want. When you scroll down, you don't want these because they're going to make you pay for them. You would like, if you want to change the icon right there, you can do that, and there are more of those available. Now, here's what I'm going to say. Some of these settings become very important as you scroll down. All these become very important. You want to make sure that you share this with the right people and not with the wrong people. So I'm going to walk you through some settings, so you might pause me and go change the setting on yours as we do this. First of all, I would say go ahead and display the author name above each post. So I would turn that one on so that anytime somebody posts something, you see what it is. You could allow viewers to comment if you would like. That's acceptable. That is going to be your URL that will become important later. So make sure that you turn this setting on and then hit next. Pause me and go do that now. Now that you're back, you've changed that setting, you're working on this setting. Let's keep things secret. And very important, I want you to change this to people who have the link will be able to read it. So secret means you have to send them a link, and when you send them a link, all they can do is read it. That'll be amazing. So pause now, go set that up on your screen. Now that you're back and you have made sure that it's secret and people can read it, you want to, first of all, add me. This is somebody who has the access to go in and change things. So you want to add me. Let me write it. You want to add your partner. My partner at stu.fayette.ky schools. You want to make sure that you add them, and you want to give your partner right access. Now, only one of you really needs to be creating the Padlet, so the oldest person in your group can start creating your Padlet. Make sure you add Mr. Reed as someone who can write. Make sure you add your partner as someone who can write. Pause me and go do that now. And then when you get to this point, now that you're back and you've added your collaborators, do you want people to be able to remake it? I would say no, you don't want people to be able to remake it because that's them copying of you. So I would turn this one off. And this looks amazing. Let's go to the next, and you're ready to go. So now that you've got that set up, you are ready to start posting. Come back to the next video and I will show you how to begin getting things into your Padlet.